Supreme Court rules in favor of pregnancy protection in the workplace. Good afternoon. This is BICRA Blue Island Catholic Way Radio News Brief. A recent ruling from the Supreme Court to clarify workplace protections for pregnant women will help remedy some of the pressure placed on working women to abort rather than continue pregnancies, pro-life legal experts say. On March 25, the Supreme Court ruled 6-3 in Young v. UPS that Peggy Young should get another chance to argue before a lower court that her former employer, United Parcel Service, treated her unfairly by forcing her to take unpaid leave when a doctor advised that she take lighter duty while pregnant. In addition to refusing to reassign Young, UPS also revoked Young's medical coverage during her unpaid leave period. She later left the company. The Fourth Circuit earlier ruled that UPS had not violated the Pregnancy Discrimination Act, because the employer treated pregnant workers similarly to those injured off the job. At the time, UPS offered accommodations only to persons in specific categories, such as those who had been injured on the job, those with conditions covered by the Americans with Disabilities Act, or those who lost a license to drive a commercial vehicle. Young argued that since the company does have accommodations for other persons with temporary work restrictions, the refusal to accommodate her limitations during pregnancy was illegal discrimination, under the 1978 Pregnancy Discrimination Act. In the majority opinion, Justice Stephen Breyer questioned both lines of argument, creating a decision that compromised between the arguments of UPS and Young. If employers do accommodate some temporary physical limitations and disabilities, the court ruled, it must also accommodate pregnancy, as well as other temporary conditions. Before the case was argued before the Supreme Court in December 2014, Americans United for Life and 22 other pro-life organizations filed a brief to the court supporting Young's case. The brief argued, among other points, for the court to respect the Pregnancy Discrimination Act's recognition of the important role pregnancy plays in women's lives and in society, as well as the unique and fundamental right to bear children that women have. This has been BICR, the voice of Blue Island, Illinois Catholic Radio. I'm your host, Denise Ayers.